how to set up Google Authenticator on KuCoin. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to, as you can see, connect or configure our Google Authenticator. So first things first, over here in this page, as you can see, what we need to do is to click on already installed and continue. And you will be able to receive a QR code and the pass key over here or the private key. Now, how do you get to this page that I'm on? So it's very easy. All you need to do is to go over here in our homepage, click on your profile over here on the top right, click on security, and over here you have Google verification option. Simply click on the Google verification, send a code to your email, and after you enter the verification code over here, you should be able to see the screen that I saw earlier or we saw earlier when we started our video. And after that, after you enter those information, the QR code, the passkey in your Google Authenticator, you will then be able to connect those two platforms. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.